What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our Vicrez replacement front bumpers. And this is for the Chevy Tahoe, fitting 2021 to 2023 models. And the VZ for this is VZ104537 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now, other than that, let's go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. Now, this is matte black and unpainted. So if you do want to send it off to get it painted, you can do so before installing it onto your car. Now let me go ahead and flip this right side up. Now guys, I don't know if you know what a Chevy Tahoe looks like, but here is where your vent duct would be for your brake well. And then here is where the light would go. I'm sure we could throw up a picture somewhere on a part of the screen to show you. For install purposes, on the inside, you do have all the included slots here for all your plastic clips to snap it in place and all the holes so you can bolt it in place as well. That way your light and your vent isn't going to be falling out. And it also does include all the tabs for snapping it in to the front bumper itself. So pretty much once you get this, it's as simple as unbolt your old one and bolt this one on and carry over any parts that didn't transfer. So your lights and your vents will not be included with this, nor your flash indicators. Let me turn this to the side. It'll be located right here. You will need all of that off of your OEM front bumper before installing your new replacement front bumper. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this front bumper. If you want to see an install video on this front bumper, let us know down in the comments. Other than that, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one.